This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, update Windows and drivers, and confirm the controller has at least 50% charge so pairing won't fail mid-process. Plug a USB-C cable into the controller for a wired connection. It acts immediately and powers the pad. If you prefer wireless, open Windows Bluetooth settings and set them visible. This is faster for multiple devices. Once done, you'll know which path you'll follow, wired for simplicity or Bluetooth for freedom, and will pair in the next step. Now you pair and configure the controller. For wired, plug in and wait for the device-ready message. Windows auto-installs drivers. For Bluetooth, hold the controller pair button until the light flashes, then choose it from Windows Bluetooth list. Make sure nothing else is trying to pair. If using an Xbox wireless adapter, plug it into USB, press the adapter's sync button, then the controllers. They bind rapidly and give lower latency. Once connected, open Steam or Xbox app to test button mapping and vibration settings. Finish by testing inputs and updating firmware. Launch Gamepad Tester or Steam Big Picture and confirm every button, stick, and trigger responds correctly. If firmware updates show in the Xbox Accessories app, apply them. This fixes many compatibility and latency issues. If you see lag, disconnect and try another USB port, replace or recharge batteries, move away Wi-Fi interference, or repair the controller. These steps usually solve dropouts. And if problems persist, reboot Windows. Simple reboots often clear driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.